Today, we're testing out the Amazon FBA side hustle to see how much profit we can actually make with 15 minutes of work. Because instead of overcomplicating the process of making money online, there's tons of name brand products like this that we can buy from big websites and sell it for way more on Amazon. I've pulled up this product as an example because it's from VitaCost, which is a big major retail website. In fact, we can guarantee that the other sellers on this listing have to be buying stuff from other major websites. And this makes it a great starting point for us to go and make some profit based on the opportunities that these sellers on this listing have already identified. So with that in mind, let's put 15 minutes on the clock and go ahead and see how much profit we can find. Let's go. Like I said, we're going to use this opportunity to dive into some of the other ideas that these sellers already have. I use SellerAmp to source basically all the products that I sell in my Amazon business. Sold about $5 million on the platform. I'm going to show you guys some of the biggest things that I've picked up and find some profitable products with you, right? So on these products, all we need to do is open up the storefronts of other successful Amazon sellers. And in this case, I can see, hey, this seller has 92 products that they've already successfully sourced from other big major retail websites. And now it's our goal to go in here and see if we can buy them for a low enough price to make some profit. So in this example, you can see what we need the size, like 10 ounce for. Basically, we need to buy it for $7. All the initial search results I'm seeing are around like $19 to $24. Usually when I'm looking at items, I only want to dig deeper on something that I'm at least close to profitable on. So let's go to the next item here. So this is like some underwear here. Let's see, $21 at Macy's potentially. Let's make sure these are the same thing. So 3-pack, and that's a 3-pack there. Yeah, okay, cool. So this is more interesting to me because I noticed that the max cost here is $19 and we can buy these for 21, and there's probably some tools we can use to create some margin. Let's see if that's the case though. So on a lot of products like these, the best products that are basically for your Amazon business are going to take some extra legwork to make them profitable. Remember, you don't find profitable products, you make them profitable. And one of the best ways to do that is by buying discounted gift cards. So I'm going a little bit faster here today since I'm on the clock, but I can get these discounted gift cards for anywhere from like 12 to 9% off. I'm just going to assume 9% just to be nice and safe. And with this website here, I can buy these for $21.60. I can subtract that 9% because basically I'm buying, let's say $100 worth of Macy's gift card for $91. So that's bonus profit in my pocket. And with that in mind, this is a $5 profit, sells for about 25% ROI. So this one's not quite there. I do see this, check this out. So these extra larges are $48. So those are nice and profitable, right? So $48, buying them for $19.66. And this, by the way, includes shipping, sales tax, all that good stuff. So this is after all of my expenses here. And so in this case, this is actually $12.60 profit per unit. On something like this, I'd probably go ahead and place a 10 unit test order, see how fast it sells, and then go ahead and restock the products after that. So let's go ahead and place a 10 unit test order, especially since this sells 50 times a month between the different sizes and colors here. Shouldn't have any problem selling those 10. So let's conservatively put $120 in profit on our clock, and let's keep on going, see how much more we can find in the 15 minutes. So here's a little bag. We need to buy these for $26 and could be, is it right there? Let's see, like the Cyro, however you say that, crossbody. Let's see. So it looks like it might be $65. One thing you can do is put something that's really important to the item you're looking at in quotations. So let's see. Yeah, I think those are different. Cyro, let's see, Sabian here. Let's see. So those are a little bit different, I believe. Just because I can't guarantee that those are the same, I'm going to keep rolling. We can quickly check though. It seems like these are the same with that front pouch. It's got that zipper in the front. Yeah, those are the same. So it's the more expensive one. No worries there. Let's keep on rolling. So we got some socks right here. These we need to buy for $10.74. And it looks like the brand themselves actually sells these for $11.69. There must be some kind of coupon involved because that's showing up at 13. Just because we need to buy this for $10.74. And you can see over here on the chart, you see that price has been increasing recently. So typically you want to buy things that are like consistently profitable. So right now it might be profitable with a coupon or something like that, but not super long-term profits. Just because we are on the clock here, I'm going to keep rolling, see what else we can find. Let's see. So we've got some like golf balls or something like that here. We need 15 of these for less than $10. Not the fastest seller in the world, but I am slightly interested in these because I noticed that this said it's a 2-pack. Not immediately popping up. So let's just put like Pinnacle golf ball, see if it can take us to the right listing here. Let's see. Some of these other ones here, 24, was it 15 that we had? Yeah. So 15 versus that listing was for 12. So even though it might be bulk, we can get like a nice bulk discount. I'm probably going to go ahead and skip that. Let's see. Pinnacle Rush right here. Single. This is 15. So this is probably probably something where the sellers on Walmart probably went out of stock. Now you can see it's being sold by third-party sellers, so you can see like the see more seller options over there. So that probably is profitable when Amazon themselves sell it, but not at the moment. Let's see. So we got like a Kabu bag here. Let's see, we got some kind of socks and then some pants or something like that, or boxer briefs. Let's see. So these are actually potentially profitable. What was our max cost here? Our max cost was $13.93. We were buying these for $14.90. Let's see. So we can always check Capital One Shopping and see if there is any coupon codes or anything like that. So let's see, $10 off. Here's like a coupon code that's probably working for 10% off there. So we can get 10% off on these. Let's see. So 14. All right, sweet. So $14.90. We do get that 10% off coupons. Yeah, these are profitable. I'll go ahead and verify after our clock is off that coupon actually works for us to include it. But let's go ahead and add another 10 unit test order here on this. I might be able to actually buy some more. Let's see. So looking at the historical offers, I can see how much success people are having on these recently. So you can see this person actually made a decent amount of sales pretty quick there. So I'd buy at least 10 of these. Personally, I'd probably buy 15 to 20, but just for the running total, I'm going to say conservatively 10. And then there's also the smalls that are profitable as well. So let's go ahead and pick up another 10 of those just to keep our running total super safe here. Let's say $4 profit each on 20 units. Let's go ahead and add 80 bucks in profit to the running total here. Let's just make sure. Yeah, so all those are in stock as well, so we don't have to worry about that. Let's see. We got this Kabu bag here. We need a pinkish one. Let's see. So this is actually 19 bucks, so we might be able to make some money there. On these products, we can also right click and then search with Google Lens. This is going to help me see if there's any other listings for this on other websites that might be cheaper, basically. Let's see. So like it found it on some other random website. Seems like a lot of these are 50. So what I might do instead is check this size right here. Looks like maybe you can get 15% off. Are all these on sale? Yes, there's actually a good amount. So blue inlay, cactus, beach. And then over on this listing, I noticed that there are a bunch of different sizes showing up here. So what I can do is I can go to Keepa and I can go to variations. And then I want to go ahead and search this listing for all the possible colors that might be sold at Backcountry right now. Backcountry is a big retailer as well, so I'm not worried about them not being legit or anything like that. So let's see. Take away all the other sizes here. I remember seeing Beach Doodle there. So Beach Doodle sells for $33.72. I don't think that's going to be profitable because it was like 20-ish, or it was 19.23. So actually, if we can get a coupon here, then that would be profitable. We can also just quickly check and see. So there's no discounted gift cards at Backcountry for us to take advantage of. Sometimes the coupons that you can get by plugging in your email only work on full price things. Let's see. Discount only applies to full price items only. Cool. So we won't include that 15%. Otherwise, that would be profitable. Let's see. I'm going to check a couple of these. And then if we're not seeing much, I'm going to keep rolling here. Let's see. So blue, was it Blue Dusk? I know we had Blue Dusk on one of them, but I think Blue Dusk was 30. Yeah, Blue Dusk and then Blue Inlay. So no Blue Inlay. Blue Dusk was selling for 50. They're selling it for 30 here. Let's see. Cactus. There's actually a lot of these. Cactus and Mirage. Let's check those. And then let's see. So Cactus right there. This sells for 41 bucks. So this one might actually be interesting. So 41.74. And then what are we buying that for? We're buying it for, was it which one was it? Yeah. So Cactus we're buying for 21.98. So 21.98. So pretty close on profit there. It's right on the borderline for me. It seems like some of these other bags would be interesting just because this only has one rating compared to this whole listing having several thousand. I would probably only test order like 5 of these, maybe even 3. In fact, I'm just going to keep checking out some new items. There might be some more here, but I want to get some good variety here in our 15 minutes. Let's just pick up 3 just for the sake of the running total. Let's go ahead and add 20 bucks in profit to our total here. Let's see. I also wanted to check out these socks. Let's see. A lot of these are like 20 bucks. I've seen a lot of different kind of sizes and that kind of thing. So just for the sake of time, I'll probably keep going. Let's see. So some like vitamins or something like that here. What are these? These are 3-month for 55 bucks. Let's see. 55 bucks, 3-month supply. So we get 3 bottles. Actually, that's like a different type of supplement there. Let's just keep it rolling here. See what else I can find. We got some Sephora makeup. This is 14 bucks. So we need a really good coupon code or something like that. Potentially 5 bucks at Kohl's. Let's check that out. See if this one's still in stock. We could definitely check that out. Let's see. Are all these 5 bucks? Are they all out of stock too? Yeah, as I'm clicking through here, I'm seeing most of these are showing out of stock. So there's probably a lot of profit to be made there. That would be something that you can always add links like this to like a Google sheet and just come back every now and then and see if those really low prices are back in stock. Just because we're on the clock, let's keep on chugging along here. Let's see. So we can get like this blanket of some kind for, if we can find this for $26.50, we're making some money. Let's see. So this is 30 bucks at a Jellycat here. Go ahead and check and see if they have any coupon codes or anything like that. See, maybe 15% off. I'm going to go ahead and test this out real quick. So we had tried a couple coupon codes here. Nothing's finding too much success. Let's see. Usually this is a little bit more expensive on Amazon but you can see how many people hopped on this listing recently. So down here on Keepa, we can see the new offer count, and it went from 4 sellers, super profitable, up to now 39 sellers, where it's not quite as profitable as I'd really want it to be. What we can do on items like this is track the price. So I'm going to go in here and say, hey, if this becomes like probably a $55 item where my ROI is nice and stable, and say, hey, when this buy box is $55 or more, go ahead and start tracking that. And then it's going to send me an email. There's also like an app you can link everything through. And then you're basically going to be able to get notified when that item is back at a profitable price point for you. Let's focus on a category that I don't usually check too much on the channel, just for the sake of some variety here. So let's go to like grocery, that kind of thing, and let's chug through some of these here. So this is a negative max cost. So basically, whenever you see this, it probably means that the product has tanked a little bit. You see it used to sell for more, now the price has dropped. 59 people on the listing, so probably no one's making money on there. There's no like magic formula that you're missing on most of those. It's probably just no one's making some money. Let's see. So 24 pack of these for $5.60. Seen a lot of the 24 packs for $13. So we need a really good coupon code. Let's see. We got some of these keto bar, something like that. See, we got some coffee, some mayonnaise. Let's pop these all open here. All right, sweet. So these are $14.32 here. With it seems like we got 2 layers of coupons as well. So that's always good to take advantage of here. Since it's showing both of them, you can stack both those coupon codes. I know specifically on VitaCost, I know that's an opportunity. Let's see if this is actually profitable with both of those there. Let's see. So this is selling for $27.57 right now. So $27.57. And then we are buying these for $19.09. We get a 25% discount there. So we get it down to $14. And then we can also get another coupon code for another 15% off. So minus 15%. And yeah, these are actually profitable. See, these sell 100 times a month. Let's see. Price is super stable on these. And the new offer count's also decreasing as well. So on this, I would probably go ahead and pick up, let's just say 10 for the sake of the video. I'd honestly probably pick up more than that. So let's just go ahead and say 10 units right there. Let's round down our profit to $4 just in case anything goes weird. So there's another $40 we can add to our running total we got down in the bottom corner. Let's see. So we got some mayonnaise here. Let's see. These are maybe profitable. What was our max cost here? Our max cost was $14.49. And I see these are like, what are these? $9.99. All right, cool. So there's 20% off on that one. I'm curious if that coupon code works on the other one too, but let's just assume it doesn't. So we're paying $8 for this, and then we'll do some math here. Within SellerAmp over here, we'll do some math. Let's see. What was it? It was $9.19 times or minus 25%, and then minus another 20%, and then plus that $8 for the other jar. So we're paying about $13.51 for the 2-pack here. This sells for $33.50, and down here on the chart, I can actually see it used to sell for even more. So this is super, super stable at this price point. It's a grocery item as well, and my timer just went off, so we're here right at the buzzer. This is a pretty good item, honestly. Sells really well. In this case, I would probably go ahead and pick up at least 20 units. I'd honestly maybe buy more than that. So we're keeping the total here in 15 minutes really reasonable. Let's just call it 20 units, another $100 in profits. Not too bad. They're within 15 minutes. So if you're going to replicate this for yourself, the next step of the process to actually get these sold is to load up Boxem. You can try Boxem for 2 weeks for free. The reason you want this is to track all of the profit your business is actually making, save you from some super complicated Google Sheets, that kind of thing. And then using Boxem also makes it really simple to create FBA shipments. So all these products that we found, we're going to go ahead and ship these products into Amazon FBA. There's tons of full guides of using Boxem to create those shipments. Saves you a bunch of time, but you'll basically just go in here and start entering in the products that you want to ship to Amazon. So this example here is like a toy I've been using as an example. Found this at my local Ross the other day. You just add these products to your inventory batch. It'll walk you through the full process step by step, and then you'll have all your profit nicely tracked, and it saves you a ton of time on the shipment creation process. But if you want to check for yourself how much profit you can actually make selling on Amazon, make sure you grab 2-week free trials of SellerAmp and Boxem down below. Those are the tools you actually need to get your Amazon business started. This is also your friendly reminder that the only way you can grow a successful business for yourself is to actually go do it yourself. So even if it's only spending $20 on a new product to test it out, try to set a goal for yourself to do that today. Send that product into Amazon, see how fast it sells. And that's going to be the best way to set yourself up for success, not watching a ton of extra YouTube videos. If this was helpful, drop any questions down below. Also hit that subscribe button. Help me at my goal of having 100,000 subscribers here on the YouTube channel. And if you're still learning the game and you want to see the entire step-by-step process, I made you a 4-hour-long free Amazon course. Click this video right here to watch it.